Spiritual Manthan.
Do you ever feel like you're not in control of your life? Like you're stuck in a rut, or you're not sure what you want to achieve? It's a common feeling, but it doesn't have to be your reality. In this video, we're going to explore 6 strategies for taking control of your life and achieving your goals. 1. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness. The first step to taking control of your life is to become more self-aware. This means taking the time to understand your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and how they are all interconnected. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for achieving this, as it allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment and develop a greater understanding of yourself. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions in the present moment. You learn to notice when your mind starts to wander and how your thoughts and emotions can affect your mood and behavior. By becoming more self-aware, you can start to identify patterns in your thoughts and behaviors and recognize when they are not serving you. Self-awareness is also important for understanding your strengths and weaknesses. When you know what you're good at, you can focus on developing those skills and using them to your advantage. When you know what you struggle with, you can seek out resources and support to help you improve. Developing self-awareness takes time and practice. It's not something that can be achieved overnight. But by making a commitment to mindfulness and self-reflection, you can start to take control of your life and achieve your goals. So take a few moments each day to practice mindfulness. Set aside some time to sit quietly and focus on your breath. Notice the sensations in your body and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Over time, you'll start to develop a greater sense of self-awareness, and you'll be better equipped to take control of your life. Remember, taking control of your life is a journey, not a destination. It's something that requires ongoing effort and commitment. But by practicing mindfulness and self-awareness, you can start to take small steps towards achieving your goals and creating the life you want. So don't wait, start today and see where your journey takes you. 2. Identify your values. When you have a clear understanding of yourself, you can start to identify what truly matters to you in life. These are your values, the guiding principles that shape your decisions and actions. Identifying your values is an important step towards taking control of your life and achieving your goals. Your values can be anything that is important to you, such as family, relationships, career, personal growth, health, or spirituality. Take some time to reflect on what matters most to you and write down your values. It's important to be honest with yourself and not to judge your values or compare them to others. Your values are unique to you and should be respected. Once you have identified your values, you can start to make decisions that are in line with them. This can be a powerful way to stay true to yourself and avoid getting sidetracked by distractions or other people's opinions. For example, if one of your values is family, you may decide to prioritize spending time with your loved ones over working late at the office. If one of your values is personal growth, you may decide to take a course or learn a new skill that aligns with your interests. Identifying your values can also help you to set goals that are meaningful and motivating. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and why it matters to you, you're more likely to stay focused and committed. For example, if one of your values is health, you may set a goal to exercise regularly or eat a balanced diet. When you achieve this goal, you'll not only feel proud of yourself, but also feel a sense of alignment with your values. Remember that your values may change over time, and that's okay. Life is a journey, and you're constantly growing and evolving. As you experience new things and learn more about yourself, your values may shift or expand. The important thing is to stay true to yourself and keep your values at the center of your decisions and actions. Identifying your values is a powerful way to take control of your life and live according to what truly matters to you. It's a journey that requires self-reflection, honesty, and commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. So take some time to reflect on your values and start living a life that is aligned with what truly matters to you. 3. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we surround ourselves with can have a profound impact on our lives. They can either uplift us or bring us down. Negative influences can drain our energy, leaving us feeling unmotivated and uninspired. But positive influences can lift us up, inspiring us to be our best selves and reach new heights. When we surround ourselves with positive influences, we're more likely to feel optimistic and motivated. We're more likely to believe in ourselves and our abilities. And when we face challenges, we're more likely to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. So, who are the positive influences in your life? Who are the people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self? It could be a friend, a family member, a mentor, or even a stranger who has touched your life in a meaningful way. Take some time to reflect on the positive influences in your life and make an effort to surround yourself with more of them. Seek out people who share your values, who inspire you, and who challenge you to be your best self. And if you find yourself surrounded by negative influences, take steps to distance yourself from them. Remember, you have the power to choose who you surround yourself with. Choose wisely and surround yourself with people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self. Together, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is just one of the many strategies for taking control of your life and achieving your goals. By practicing mindfulness, identifying your values, developing a growth mindset, taking action towards your goals, and celebrating your successes, you can create the life you want and achieve everything you've ever dreamed of. So don't wait, start today and see where your journey takes you. Remember, you have the power to control your life and create the future you want. Embrace it and let your inner voice guide you towards a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy. 4. Develop a growth mindset and embrace challenges. A growth mindset is a powerful tool for achieving success in all areas of life. It is the belief that your abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication, and that challenges are opportunities for learning and growth. When you have a growth mindset, you are more likely to embrace challenges and view mistakes as opportunities for improvement, rather than as failures. The key to developing a growth mindset is to focus on the process of learning, rather than on the end result. Instead of worrying about whether you will succeed or fail, focus on what you can learn from the experience. Ask yourself questions like, what worked well? What could I have done differently? And what can I do to improve next time? Another important aspect of a growth mindset is the willingness to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. When you are willing to take risks and try new things, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences. You may not always succeed, but you will always learn something valuable. A growth mindset is also characterized by a strong sense of resilience. When faced with setbacks or obstacles, those with a growth mindset are able to bounce back and persevere. They view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and are motivated by the belief that they can improve with effort and dedication. To develop a growth mindset, it is important to cultivate a sense of curiosity and a love of learning. Embrace new experiences and challenges, and view mistakes as opportunities for growth and improvement. Focus on the process of learning rather than on the end result, and celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. Remember, developing a growth mindset is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and practice to shift your mindset, but the rewards are well worth it. By embracing a growth mindset, you can take control of your life and achieve your goals, no matter how big or small. So don't be afraid to take risks, embrace challenges, and always keep learning. The possibilities are endless. 5. Take action towards your goals. Now that you have identified your values and developed a growth mindset, it's time to take action towards your goals. This can be an overwhelming task, but don't worry. Every journey starts with a single step. You just need to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and take action towards them. One of the most important things to keep in mind when taking action towards your goals is that progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Every step you take, no matter how insignificant it may seem, is bringing you closer to achieving your goals. So don't get discouraged if progress feels slow at times. Remember to celebrate every small victory along the way. One effective strategy for taking action towards your goals is to create a plan of action. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Then, create a schedule or timeline for completing each task. This will help you stay organized and focused and make it easier to measure your progress. Another important strategy is to stay motivated and hold yourself accountable. Find ways to keep yourself motivated, such as tracking your progress or rewarding yourself for achieving milestones. You can also enlist the help of friends or family members to hold you accountable and provide support and encouragement along the way. Remember, taking action towards your goals is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Every step you take towards achieving your goals is a step towards creating the life you want. So don't be afraid to take that first step and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Taking action towards your goals may seem daunting, but it's all about breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and taking action towards them. Remember to celebrate every small victory along the way, stay motivated, and hold yourself accountable. With these strategies in mind, you can take control of your life and achieve everything you want. So start taking action today and see where your journey takes you. 6. Celebrate your successes. When we set out to achieve our goals, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget to take a moment to acknowledge our successes. But celebrating our successes is a fundamental part of taking control of our lives and achieving everything we want. When we celebrate our successes, we are reinforcing positive behaviors and habits. We are reminding ourselves that our hard work and dedication are paying off and that we have the power to achieve our goals. Celebrating our successes also helps to boost our confidence and self-esteem, making us more resilient and better equipped to handle the challenges that lie ahead. So, how can we celebrate our successes? It's all about finding what works for us. Some people may choose to celebrate by treating themselves to something special, like a nice dinner or a weekend getaway. Others may prefer to celebrate by sharing their success with loved ones, or by simply taking a moment to reflect on their achievements. Whatever method we choose, it's important to remember that celebrating our successes is not about being boastful or arrogant. It's about acknowledging our hard work and dedication and taking a moment to appreciate the progress we've made. By celebrating our successes, we are reinforcing positive behaviors and habits and setting ourselves up for even greater success in the future. So, the next time you achieve a goal, take a moment to celebrate it. Acknowledge your hard work and dedication and remind yourself that you have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Celebrate with loved ones, treat yourself to something special, or simply take a moment to reflect on your achievements. Whatever method you choose, remember to keep the tone inspiring and positive. Remember, taking control of your life and achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. It's something that requires ongoing effort and commitment. But by practicing mindfulness and self-awareness, identifying our values, surrounding ourselves with positive influences, developing a growth mindset, taking action towards our goals, and celebrating our successes, we can create the life we want and achieve everything we've ever dreamed of. So don't wait, start today and see where your journey takes you. The possibilities are endless.